Yo, what is up, friend? Today we're gonna be discussing about the Discover TikTok Dropshipping Intermediate Course Review, which is owned by the Sebastian Brothers. Okay, so as you can see, you will see Learn Dropshipping for free. And right here is this bottle talking. I'm just gonna pause that, and you can see Start for free, Discover TikTok Dropshipping. So if you scroll down, you're gonna see a whole lot of here. They help you with product research, TikTok ads, store management, and everything. You can see Sebastian Brothers right here, Sebastian rather, and they've got some reviews there and proofs for you to show you. Okay, this is powered by Kajabi. All right, so as you can see in the in the evolving world of e-commerce, this program has already gained a lot of attention, okay? Because a whole lot of people have been wanting to get into the dropshipping and e-commerce space. So this is a way for people to feel like, okay, maybe this is something I can go for. And that is why you're here today, because you want to learn about this program and know if it's the best one for you, okay? Now these two brothers have, carved out a space for themselves in the world of dropshipping, though, okay? But they've, claimed to achieve seven-figure success in their ventures. And what set them apart is their commitment, okay, to sharing their knowledge, all right, and not just through paid courses, but they also have their YouTube channels whereby they provide valuable insights and tips to aspiring e-commerce entrepreneurs, okay. And the fact that they are willing to offer free content, speaks a volume about their dedication to help others succeed in the world of online business, okay. Now, these guys have offered a whole lot of information though, and in this review, let's just talk more about them. All right. Now, about this program, it's a program that is specifically tailored to guide students, okay, people on how to harness the incredible marketing potential of TikTok adverts, okay. So whereby you learn how to use TikTok to make a whole lot of sales in dropshipping, okay. So that is what they're gonna be teaching you, and they teach you how to master TikTok advertising and how to do content creation, okay. Delve into the aspects of creating engaging content, and also strategies for creating and crafting attention grabbing videos that resonate with your target audience, and ensuring that your ads leave a lasting impression, okay. And another thing they promise to teach you is the product selection, okay, whereby you'll be guided through the process of choosing the right products to promote, and focusing on niche selection, trending items, and consumer demand analysis, okay. And scaling your business is also what they promise to teach you, helping you to move from initial success to a substantial and profitable enterprise. Okay, I'll try to cause the instructors, Sebastian Brothers, especially Sebastian Esqueda, they kind of leverage the extensive experience in the e-commerce world, emphasizing real world examples and practical advices. Okay, now talking about the reliability of this course. When it comes to this Discover TikTok dropshipping course, it's important to consider the nature of free offerings in the world of e-commerce. Although right here you are being told that you can start for free, but what you have to know is that nothing is entirely free, okay. So in case you join, you still have to know that you'll likely be pitched of their tickets program, okay, of their program which they're gonna be selling to you. Okay, so don't feel like, oh, once I just join, everything is free and I'm gonna learn how to do drop shipping with TikTok and I'm gonna start making money and all that. Now, okay, it's not like that. You're gonna be pitched to a program, okay, which you have to join, where they're gonna be teaching you exactly how to do drop shipping, but there's no guarantee that you make money from that. Now, this is just a way for them to build their email list and start pitching you on their program and how you can join and blah blah blah. Okay, and this is a common practice though. Okay, it's a common practice for it's a good approach, because this way they're not going to lose you and you'll be able to join their email list. Okay, I'm not saying joining email is bad, but I'm just letting you know that if you join for free, you're gonna be pitched their program. Okay, talking about my own opinion, nothing is free. Okay, if you see anything telling you, oh, you joined this starting out for free, it is not free. Okay, you still be pitched something at the end. All right, so that is what you have to know. And investment in high ticket courses is so rampant these days, because these guys make a whole lot of money. Although these two brothers, the Sebastian brothers, for real, they've created a lot of value on the internet. So it's worth it even if they sell programs. Unlike all these online gurus that they do not even give out free values, there is no value. They just go ahead and start pitching. These guys have created a whole lot of value in the e-commerce and dropshipping space. So possibly even if they pitch something, it might be worth it. Okay, and reputation and success, both guys have created a whole, they've carved a niche for themselves in this world of dropshipping. So possibly trying them out is not a bad idea. All right, now if I'm to advise a newbie here, if you're an intermediate, rather, if you're an intermediate and an advanced marketer, I mean an advanced dropshipper, rather, an e-commerce expert, I would suggest you give them a trial, because those guys they kind of know what they're doing. Okay, or possibly you can go to the YouTube channel and learn more from them, especially Esqueda. And but it's okay, you can go ahead try their program because you're trying to leverage more and learn more in your field. Okay, but if you're a beginner, I won't suggest you just go ahead pay everything at once. You can try to cut down dollar cost your average, then just pay everything at once to this program. You can decide to tell them, okay, this is the amount you have, and test out the program and see it's worth your time and investment. Okay. So for beginners talking about dropshipping, you need to know that dropshipping is very, very saturated. Okay, so a whole lot of people are into dropshipping. Although, is there any business, online business, that is not saturated? It's rare. All right, most businesses are saturated. But what you have to know is that dropshipping is more, because number one, you need to invest, and after investing, you need to know that product research. Even if the Sebastian are telling you, oh, this is the product you should buy, blah blah blah, a whole lot of people are also selling that product. Okay, even people who have enrolled in their programs are selling that product. Even those who are watching the free resources, they might have probably talked about that type of strategy in one of their videos. So what you have to know is that you are in competition with a whole lot of people, so you need to have a good unique selling method. All right, so you can go ahead and give them a try. All right, it's not bad, but don't just pay everything at once and be like, oh, you're complacent enough. All right, as for me, if you're like, okay, Maverick, what can I do? Is dropshipping not too good? It's good, okay, but I'm in a business whereby you can get started with zero capital, right? And that is affiliate marketing. You might have heard about affiliate marketing and you're like, oh, isn't that business whereby I have to bring people in, bring people? No, that is network marketing, that is MLM. Affiliate marketing is about somebody having a product and you create partnership with them and you sell the products and you get a commission. Now this method doesn't involve any capital because you don't even need to have a website or having your home product. You don't need all that. You can get started with affiliate marketing for free. Okay, I mean, this is not gimmicks. Okay, this is, you can do affiliate. I get started with affiliate marketing for free, so you can do affiliate marketing if you are a beginner looking to make money online. Okay, but if you're a beginner who have passion for e-commerce and dropshipping, you can go ahead, give this guy a try, and but don't pay everything at once. Just dollar cost the average so that you'll be able to know if it's the best. Okay, but if you're a beginner looking to make money online and not necessarily dropshipping, or maybe you want to have another means of income, because one stream of income is not going to sustain you. You need to have several ones, so you can try out affiliate marketing. And I have a community that you can join. You can click the link in the video description or check the screen and see the link there, which you can pass through to join this community of like-minded affiliate marketers, and you can, start making money. Okay, and another thing you have to know is that you're not only join the community, you are also under me. Okay, so you're my responsibility and I have to make sure you succeed. You can see some screenshot on the screen whereby I've helped a whole lot of people. I'm not even the owner of this community. It belongs to my mentor. I don't have any community. I don't have any course that I'm selling. I do review. I don't sell courses belonging to me. I only recommend something that is best. Okay, and what I'm giving to you now is best. Okay, so that is it. This is for beginners who just want to make money online. All right, so that is it. If you would like my recommendation, go ahead, click the link in the video description or check the screen and copy paste the link on your browser and head straight to the link and join. Okay, just join and it's gonna help you out. All right, so I hope this video has been helpful. If it is, kindly make sure that you hit the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new review videos. And I'm gonna see you in some other video reviews. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.